Welcome to the Java programming series, and today we will understand how to write down the program to separate each digit of a number. So consider an example. If user is entering 1 to 3, we have to print the output, that is it 3 to 1, right? So basically we have to separate the each digit from the number, and we have to print each digit into the separate line. So before we jump into the program, let's try to do some brainstorming. So I'll take one example. You can just try to guess the output. So let's say 99 modulo 10. So if I'll run this program, what will be the output? So if I'll try to run this program, so your output will be 9, right? So let me take another example. Let's say 128 modulo 10. If I'll try to run this program, what will be the output? So definitely output will be 8. So you can say here, if you want to retrieve the last digit from the number, then we are just doing the modulo with the 10. So it's a golden statement. If you want to retrieve the last digit from the number, then we are just doing the modulo with the 10. So if I'll take any number, let's say 111. If I'll run this program, it will print 1 as an output, right? Perfect. Let's take another example. Let's say 111 divided by 10. So if I'll run this program, what will be the output? So definitely output will be 11. So why we are getting the output 11? So we have both the numbers are integer, right? So whenever we have both the numbers are integer, the result will be in an integer only, right? So it will not give you the decimal part. So it will give you only integer part from the result. So let's take another example. Let's say 128 divided by 10. So what will be the result? It will be 12, right? So if I run this program, it will be 12. So whenever you want to remove the last digit from the number, then we are doing the divide by 10. So if you want to retrieve the last digit from the number, it's a modulo 10. If you want to remove the last digit from the number, it's a divide by 10. So both the logic we're gonna use in this program. You can try to pause the video and try to go through this logic again. So if you want to retrieve the last digit from the number, it's a modulo 10. If you want to remove the last digit from the number, it's a divide by 10. So now let's get back to the program. So we have a number, that is the 1, 2, 3, and we have to separate the each digit from the number. So first of all, we have to take the input as a number, right? So let me just try to take the input. Let's say integer number is equal to 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So we have to print each digit of the number separately. So in the output, we have to print each digit of the number. So let's try to focus on the logic. How can we separate the digit from the number? So you can try to pause the video and try to find out the logic to separate the each digit from the number. So let's try to find out the logic. Let's say we have a number which is 1, 2, 3. So first of all, let's try to print the last digit of the number into the console. So I will just do modulo with the 10. It will give you the last digit. So it will give you the 3. So let's try to print 3 into the console. Perfect. Now second time you have to print the second last digit. So how can we retrieve the second last digit from the number? So we don't have any mechanism to retrieve the second last digit, right? So what we can do, we can just remove the last digit from the number. So I can just do 1, 2, 3 divide by 10. So this will give you 12, right? Perfect. Second time again we will take 12, try to modulo with the 10, and whatever it will return, it will give you the 2. So try to print into the output. Again try to divide 12 with the 10. So this will give you 1. Okay. So this is the first iteration. This is the second iteration. And in the third iteration, you just try to do the 1 modulo 10. It will give you 1 only. So try to print into the console and try to divide 1 divided by 10. So this will give you 0. So this will be third iteration, right? So whenever you get the number 0, that means we have printed all the digit of the number into the console. So we have to take the loop. We have to execute the loop till the time we are not getting the number 0. Perfect. So let's try to write down the program. So first of all, let's try to identify, do we require the for loop here or we require the while loop? Okay. So definitely we require the while loop because we are using the for loop whenever we have a range, right? We have to print, let's say 1 to 10. So we can start the for loop with 1 and we can go till 10, right? But here we don't have a range. We have a only condition. Our program depends on only condition. When number is 0, we have to break the loop. So here we gonna use the while loop only. So first of all, let's try to print the last digit of the number into the console. So I can just write down number modulo 10, right? So it will print the last digit into the console. Second time, I will just do number is equal to number divided by 10. So we are just trying to remove the last digit from the numbers. So this will return the number without last digit, and that we are storing into the number only. So now this two statement we will just repeat till the time we are not getting the number is equal to 0. So I will just take the while loop that if number is not equal to 0, then just keep repeating this two statement. So run this program, this will print each digit of the number separately into each line. Perfect. So we have solved the program. Let's try to test this program with another number, and let me just run this program, and it will print each digit of the number into the separate line. Perfect. So I hope you are clear now how to separate each digit from the number. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments regarding this video, try to write down into the comment section. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you into the next video.